We need to make ball. Come on, let's make ball. Big balls. I'm gonna make us a little snowman. Yeah, me too.
And then you put some carrots.
I'm gonna make a little one.
Nagagawa mo, Jimen?
Let me sa'yo ito.
Ay, Mika, you're not allowed to go in that. Mika, get down. Kasi, gagaya si Jimel. Gagaya si Jimel. No, Jimel, baba. Jimel, baba.
This is the best Christmas ever in my life. Sorry for that. Yan, para mag-make ka ng shape. Jimel, look, make shape. Look. Jimel, look. Gawa tayo ng snowman, Stephanie. I want this. Dapat malaking snowman ang gagawin natin. Okay, let's get party. Sandali lang
Ate, na yung gagawin mo. Na yung gagawin mo. Look, may pa yung mami.
We're gonna make a big one, so I'm making the small one. Yeah. We need to make dough.
Rimla ka marimla.
For all.
Ate.